we have done the very first function of management in the previous lecture. Today we'll be starting with the second function of management, that is organization. What was the first function? It was planning, in which we bridge the gap between where we are at present and where we want to go in the coming times. So now, once you are fully aware of what you want to do in the coming times, you have to be prepared for everything that will be coming in the future course of time. You need to organize the things, you need to get the things ready by your side so that whenever you require them, they are put in order, they are put in some structured way so that you can easily access them. Now, the second function is based on the similar characteristics, that is the organization. Now, what is organization? Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping of the works to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationships for the purpose of enabling people to work most efficiently. What is organizing? So, it was given by Lewis A. Allen. So this is the definition of organizing. What did he say? He said that it starts with defining what are the tasks, what are the jobs, what are the works that need to be performed. Once you identify the activities that need to be accomplished, needs to be performed, what you are going to do is you are going to delegate responsibility and authority. Now, what is responsibility? Now, if I give you an assignment, your responsibility is to complete that assignment within the stipulated time. And what is authority? Authority is with me, it lies with me, that I have the authority to give you either full marks or even give you 0 marks as per your performance. So first of all, identifying the activities that needs to be done, that needs to be finished. Then after that, defining and delegating responsibility and authority. Once everything is of authority and responsibility is done, then we are going to establish the relationship for the purpose of enabling the people to work so that they can work in a group, they can work efficiently, and nothing stops them in their way to accomplish and finish up the goal. So that is organizing. If I have to put it in very simple words, organizing is that when you have made a plan of what you want to do in the coming times, उस plan में there'll be many things that you need to be uh, getting access to. Like there'll be raw materials. I had talked of the 6M: men, material, machine, money, method, market. So getting all these 6 M's by your side ready so that whenever you require them, you don't have to create a chaos, you don't have to panic. They are already set right behind you and you can just go and access those things. So that is all about organizing. Now we'll be doing about the concept of organizing in the coming video. Thank you for joining.